The iPhone 16 Pro Max has finally been unveiled, and while it might not introduce dramatic changes from its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it brings a range of notable upgrades. Here's a comprehensive look at what's new and how it compares to the previous model. Larger display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max sports a 6.9-inch display, marking a significant increase from the 6.7 inches found on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This expansion is achieved by making the device itself slightly larger and reducing the size of the bezels surrounding the screen. The new model measures 163 mm in height and 77.6 mm in width, compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max 159.9 mm, 76.7 mm dimensions. This change, though minor in terms of numbers, results in a more immersive display experience. It maintains the sleek titanium frame and flat screen design of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces a new camera control button, located on the right side of the device. This capacitive button allows users to quickly access the camera app, start recording, take photos, adjust exposure, and switch between different photographic styles. Previous model colors: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, natural titanium. New model colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, desert titanium. The blue titanium option has been replaced, simplifying the color choices. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a larger 6.9-inch liquid Retina XDR OLED display. This is the largest screen ever on an iPhone, providing a more expansive view for users. The peak brightness remains at 2000 nits, while the minimum brightness has been improved to 1 nit, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. The iPhone 16 Pro Max adds a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, enhancing the ability to capture more detail and perform better in low-light conditions. This camera uses advanced pixel combination techniques to improve image quality. Enhanced video recording. The new model supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. This allows users to create high-quality slow-motion videos and capture cinematic scenes with greater control directly on the device. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the new 18 Pro chip built on a 3nm process. This chip offers improved performance and efficiency over the 17 Pro chip in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It includes dual performance cores, quad efficiency cores, and a more powerful hexa-core GPU. The internal design has been optimized for better heat management, reducing the risk of overheating during intensive tasks and improving overall efficiency. The device comes with iOS 18, introducing significant upgrades such as enhanced artificial intelligence capabilities, improved Siri, and new features for customization and accessibility. iOS 18 includes artificial intelligence-driven functionalities like advanced photo editing, smarter quick replies, and better integration with external services. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to deliver up to 33 hours of video playback, 29 hours of streamed video, and 105 hours of audio playback. This represents an improvement over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery life estimates. The iPhone 16 Pro Max builds on the iPhone 15 Pro Max with meaningful upgrades such as a larger display, improved camera features, and enhanced battery life. While it may not revolutionize the iPhone lineup, the addition of the camera control button and the enhanced performance make it a compelling option for those seeking the latest technology from Apple. For users with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the reasons to upgrade may be limited, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max remains a top choice for anyone looking for cutting-edge features in their smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. Drop a comment below. Let me know which phone you think is the best. See you in the next one. Peace out.